Welcome to our short video on positive affirmations. In this video, we will explore the benefits of positive affirmations, how they work, and how you can use them to transform your mindset and improve your mental and emotional well-being. So, if you're ready to learn how to use positive affirmations to change your life for the better, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that can help you challenge negative self-talk and cultivate a more positive mindset. They work by rewiring your brain, helping you to focus on the good in your life and attract more positivity into your life. To create effective positive affirmations, it's important to keep them short, simple, and easy to remember. Use language that is positive, present tense, and personal to you. For example, you might say, "I am confident and capable," or "I choose to focus on the good in my life." The key to making positive affirmations work is repetition. Repeat your affirmations to yourself daily, preferably in the morning when you wake up or before you go to bed at night. This will help you internalize the messages of your affirmations and make them a natural part of your thought patterns. It's important to note that positive affirmations are not a magic solution to all of life's problems. They are a tool that can help you shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life, but they won't solve all your problems overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistency to see the benefits of positive affirmations. One of the most significant benefits of positive affirmations is that they can help you reduce stress and anxiety. When you repeat positive affirmations, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to reduce stress and anxiety levels. This can help you feel more relaxed, calm, and in control of your emotions. Positive affirmations can also help you build self-confidence and self-esteem. By repeating affirmations that reinforce positive beliefs about yourself, you can boost your self-confidence and feel more capable of achieving your goals. This can help you take on new challenges and pursue your dreams with more confidence and enthusiasm. Another benefit of positive affirmations is that they can help you cultivate a more positive mindset. By focusing on the good in your life, you can attract more positivity and abundance into your life. This can help you feel more grateful, optimistic, and fulfilled, even in challenging times. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine is easy. You can write them down on sticky notes and place them around your home or office, repeat them to yourself in the shower or while getting dressed, or even set reminders on your phone to repeat them throughout the day. In conclusion, positive affirmations can be a powerful tool for transforming your mindset and improving your mental and emotional well-being. By creating short, positive statements and repeating them to yourself daily, you can train your brain to focus on the good in your life and attract more positivity into your life. So, start incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine today and see how they can help you live your best life.